If you're trying to learn HTML in 2026 and it feels confusing, boring, or outdated, you're not the problem. The problem is how people are teaching HTML. In this video, I'll show you the modern, realistic way to learn HTML in 2026, even if you've never written a single line of code. What HTML really is. HTML is not a programming language. It's a structure language like the skeleton of a website. Even in 2026, HTML is still the foundation of every website, app, and web system you use. From YouTube to online banking, AI hasn't replaced HTML. Instead, AI made HTML more important, because you need to understand what the AI generates. What not to do. First, let me save you months of frustration. Don't memorize tags. Don't start with frameworks. Don't watch 40-hour tutorials. Don't copy-paste without understanding. HTML is simple, people just teach it in a boring, outdated way. The best way to learn HTML in 2026. Step 1. Learn only the core tags. You only need about 15 to 20 HTML tags to build real websites. Focus on HTML tags, head tag, body tag. H1 to H6 tags. P tag, a tag, img. Div, section, header, footer. Form, input, button. UL tags, li tag. That's it. Ignore the rest for now. Step 2. Learn HTML with a project. Don't learn HTML alone. Learn it while building something. Start with a personal profile page, a simple landing page, a contact form, a blog layout. Every tag you learn should appear on the page immediately. Step 3. Use AI the right way. In 2026, AI is your tutor, not your replacement. Ask AI. Explain this HTML tag clearly. Fix my HTML and tell me what I did wrong. Generate a simple HTML page, then explain each line. If you don't understand the output, ask again. How to practice HTML fast. The fastest way to learn HTML is daily tiny practice. Try this. 20 to 30 minutes per day. Build one small page daily. Rewrite the same page from memory. Break things on purpose, then fix them. HTML is learned by doing, not watching. Understand this. HTML is easy, but only if you learn it the right way. Master HTML first, and CSS and JavaScript become much easier. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for modern web dev tutorials. And comment more if you want a CSS or JavaScript follow-up.